Hello friends of XZArts channel on YouTube and of course fans of mountain nature and nature overall worldwide that are watching now this video on YouTube. Today I am showing you a 6 minute and 17 seconds video from Pirin Mountain, Bulgaria. I had to start again the voiceover here. So what you see are some of the mountain peaks around the so-called Valavishki lakes in Pirin Mountain, Bulgaria. The Valavishki lakes are about probably 10 lakes, I'm not sure about it, but now what you see is a little bit snowy landscape and juniper berry plants mostly, and of course a small pine forest. This is typical for Pirin, small pine. And of course now you'll see soon the biggest lakes from the Valavishki lakes. It's called Big Valavishko Lake. You're gonna see it in a while down there from the drone. Well, these mountain peaks, I don't know their names. We were visiting the Mianica hut in Pirin Mountains, me and Stasi, and this drone footage was made on the 3rd of November 2025. Actually, this trip to Pirin was our first ever trip to this mountain, me and my cousin Stasi. And of course, I've been only 2 times in Bansko. That's one ski resort in Pirin Mountain. But I've been just in Bansko, which is in the beginning of the mountain, in bottom of the mountain. So actually we were very impressed. And here you see the Big Valavishko Lake with actually this is one island in the middle. But due to it's a bit full of water now, the island looks like two single islands, but actually it's considered geographically that the lake has one island inside of it, and we loved that place. We also, oh I'm sorry folks, succeeded to capture on the video footage some other lakes which were located above us, and we didn't see them when we were over there. Here are the lakes that I'm speaking about. These a couple of small lakes. We didn't even were knowing that they are there, and we discovered it when we see the video from the drone later on. Of course, next time when we go to this place, we will further go up in the mountains to see the rest of the Valavishki lakes. And of course, Pirin Mountain is full of more than 100 lakes probably. Small lakes, middle lakes, big lakes. And we want to visit all of them in the next years. Of course, we are planning this coming spring and this coming summer. At some point we will go again to Pirin. And this mountain Pirin will be in our plans for the next couple of years for our travels. We have to see tons of places. There's a lot of other lakes in this vicinity and also in other parts of Pirin. And of course, next year is going to be amazing. No, I'm sorry folks, it's this year 2026. I can't wait spring to start the trips around. Here I have left the drone for a couple of seconds to be static. Now I again fly the drone towards other parts of the Valavishki lakes. These are the bottom lakes of the Valavishki lakes grouping. I don't know the name of these, a couple of small lakes. And you know, when it's sunny, when it was sun shining, the water in these lakes is like light blue, light greenish, and kind of very, very beautiful. Unfortunately, that day we didn't had a lot of sunlight. We had for a couple of moments the sunlight, but later on it was again cloudy. So I want to say something about Pirin Mountain. Pirin Mountain is one of the four biggest mountains in Bulgaria. In Bulgaria we have 39 mountains. Four of them are huge big mountains and the other 35 mountains are much smaller mountain kind of ranges and mountains, small mountains. Now you see the big Valavisco lake from distance with the island and the small lakes under it. And it's incredible. This place and the vicinity around this place has been full of icebergs and not icebergs, glaciers. That was like the last ice age, like 10-12,000 years ago. This mountain was full of glaciers and ice. And of course, you see last moments of this video and amazing, beautiful range, vegetation, rocks and water, grass, and just